the last question for week 8. Okay, we have the question, we have a figure here. So in this figure, basically we have 2 point charges. So charge negative Q and also positive 2Q, with the magnitude of Q is 1 times 10 to minus 6 coulomb. Okay, first calculate the electric field, okay, at point D. So this is our focus now. So as usual, when it comes to case of electric field, okay, we know that electric field is a vector. So we need to first sketch the direction. Okay, you have to always remember this. Then we do the calculation. Okay, so in this case, at point D class, due to charge positive 2Q is supposed to be the direction of electric field. Due to this charge, let's say this is charge number 2. So plus is supposed to be outward from positive charge. So this is E2. And due to the first charge, let's say this is our Q1. Because it is negative, so negative charge, for negative charge, the electric field is into the charge. So E1. Okay, so based on the diagram, to solve the first question, to calculate the electric field, as both are having similar direction and it is to the left, you may write down it's E1 minus E2. Okay, both are in negative or to the left. So E1 or minus E2. Negative E1 minus negative E2. Negative E1 minus E2. So you do the calculation. So please remember, class, when we do calculation, okay, the sign convention must not to be included. Okay, the sign convention of the charge. So KQ1 over R1 squared. Okay, plus, because you have put minus here, KQ2 over R2 squared. Okay, so it's supposed to be negative. And you're supposed to get E is equal to 1.2 times 10 to 6 Newton per coulomb, negative. So negative here is just telling us about the direction. Okay, and you can just state your answer as it is. For the second question, so to find the electric potential energy class, we have U. Okay, electric potential energy. So it's an energy between Q1 and Q2 over R, Q2 and Q3 over R, and also there'll be an energy between Q1 and Q3 over R. So here is R12, R23, R13. Okay, so now we may substitute the equation. So we may factorize K. K is 9 times 10 to 9. Okay, so Q1 is, okay, Q1 is negative, so you should include the negative sign. We do all the calculations here. Okay, then finally you'll get 0 joule for the electric potential energy.